Nestled amongst majestic oak trees and overlooking the tranquil Los Gatos Creek, Oak Meadow Dental has been serving its community with quality, caring dentistry for over 25 years. The magnificent views and the knowledgeable, friendly staff and doctors lead to a relaxing and comfortable visit. Doctors Robert Dyer and Christina Fantino, a husband and wife team, are fortunate enough to bring their young son to work with them each day. The doctors are members of the Santa Clara, California, and American Dental Association. They are active in the community, volunteering at their local elementary and high schools for dental health education, and are members of the Los Gatos Chamber. Being focused on family and cosmetic dentistry, they offer laser technology, Invisalign, and perform cosmetic procedures from whitening to veneers. Call today for a better smile tomorrow.